Hi there and welcome. Today we want to talk about the concept of factorization. It is an important concept that we see very often in math. And today we want to factorize by the method that is called the distributive law method. It's a simple method, so I'm going to show you how we factorize this method. So we have an algebraic expression here with two terms, 12x squared subtract 6x. All right. Now I sum it up to two steps that we need to factorize this algebraic expression by using this method. So let me put the steps here on the side. So we have step one, which is really finding the highest common factor. In some cases, you have more than one factor. Good, so more than one factors. And then we have step two. Step two is simple, you just factorize, all right? Good. So step one, finding the highest common factor. Step two, we are actually going ahead and factorize. So let's consider. Now, what step one is really saying here is that when we look at the two terms, we ask ourselves, what is the highest common factor between these two terms? Or let's make it much simpler. What is the highest common factor between 12 or in 12 and 6? So I know what you're thinking. The answer there is 6, and that's correct. So the highest common factor that can go into 12 and 6, it is 6. Good. So let's consider the variable too. We have to consider the variable. So we realize that we have x squared here and we have x here. So what is common there is the x, not the x squared. So we put the x here and then we open a bracket. And we like to say, in this case, we factorize out the factors. Good. Then the next step is to factorize. How do we factorize? This is how. We ask ourselves 6x multiplied by what gives us 12x squared. So we can break it up. We can say 6 multiplied by what gives us 12. That will be 6 times 2 gives us 12. And then we can go with the variable. X multiplied what gives us x squared. So the x times x gives us x squared. If you're not sure, let's put it down here. X multiplied by x gives us x squared. X times x, x squared. All right. Now we bring down our subtraction sign there and we work with the next term. We ask ourselves 6x multiplied by what gives us 6x. Obviously that's the easy one. Anything multiplied by what gives us the exact same thing will be 1. All right, if you want us to check it, 6x multiplied by 1 is actually itself, which is 6x. Good, 2x times 1 is 2x, and so on and so forth. So this is how, by using two steps, to factorize this algebraic expression using the distributive law method. Let me know what you think.